check out this rug that I was sent for my review. They are calling this like a door rug, and I understand why, because it will just fit perfectly in kind of like an entryway when you're coming in. Although at first glance, I actually think that this would be really nice in like a small office space as well. Clearly, my dog thinks it's great as well because he loves a rug. Anytime I put it down, he is the first one to be on top of it. So let's go ahead and check here. This is a non-slip. So as you can see, we've got all these little great grippies here. So as you're coming and going, this is not going to be slipping around. And as you can see, one of the really great things is when these rugs are raised like this is really good with your shoes when you're walking in. This is going to help trap that dirt, so it's not going to be left all over your house, and it's going to be trapped in here. This is also saying that it is super absorbent. So we are going to try this. I am hoping that this is not going to go through onto the other side. As you can see, it goes in right away. It's not leaving, oh, that's actually really surprising. It's not leaving a massive puddle. And let's go ahead and check this side. Walter, let's look. And does not come through at all. It's not even wet. I think that is really awesome. And that was a really big puddle as well. So as I said, this is really good for an entryway. You know, you've got those wet, muddy, mucky boots and shoes. You can put them right on this. And this, of course, you can just shake out, wash and dry. And yeah, you are good to go. Comes in lots of different colors. And also size-wise, this one is 32 by 47 inches.